Yeah.
Hello, what's up you guys? I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evangeline Soans and this is my channel Evamod, and I'm so excited that you're here. And if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, please take a minute and hit that red button. Also hit the bell button to be notified when I upload new videos. As you read by the title, for today's video I am reviewing a product. I'm always so happy to talk about new products, try, review and share it with you guys. Here I have 5 matte liquid lipstick with me. They have around 20 shades if I'm not wrong, and when I picked this up I got this for a good discount. I will leave the MRP on the screen for you and also the discounted price that I got for. So I will quickly give you the lip swatches of these matte liquid lipstick, and then we can jump into the pros and cons and decide if you want to buy this or not. For my final thoughts, just to sum it up in one statement, I will have to say I love these and these are excellent and I have been using quite a lot of this. For pros, I will have to say that I love the formula. It is excellent. It has fragrance but it is not overpowering. It goes on really well like butter on my lip. It doesn't suck out the moisturizer like a lot of matte lipsticks do, so that is something I have to mention here. Another thing would be the packaging. As I mentioned earlier, it is so nice and sturdy. Somebody like me who has butterfingers, I tend to drop a lot of things, so this, even if it slips off my hand, I know it won't break. Talking about the price point as well, I think it is so pocket friendly, fits right in your budget, and even college going students can have a good amount of lipstick from this collection. Another thing I like to mention is that these colors that I have and plenty other colors that are there in this collection goes really well on Indian skin tone. I'm so excited that a lot of brown girls can try it too. For cons, I'll have to say I did not like the fact that the website did not have much information about these products, and the last color that I used, which was Milano Red, the formulation is a little watery, so if you have to apply, you have to go in like 2 or 3 coats over the lipstick, but still it is a good product for the amount you pay. I am definitely going to recommend these lipstick. I hope you found this review helpful. Until next time, don't forget to stand tall, stay strong and love strong.